Welcome. Today we are going to learn about lesson indices. Before that, we should know what is base and index. So base means, for example, if the number you are writing 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. See, if here I have written 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have written 2 8 times. So I can write 2 raised to 8. Okay, so here what is base? Base means down, which is down. That is called base. This is what? Base. Base means which is at the bottom. And this is known as index or exponent. So many times we come to such, and this form 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2, this is known as multiplication form. Multiplication form. And 2 raised to this 2 raised to 8, like this if we are writing, this is known as the index form. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2 into means how many 2 multiplied by 2, it is 2 raised to 8. That 2 is known as base and 8 is known as index or exponent, and this form is known as multiplication, and this form when we are writing 2 raised to 8, it is known as this form is known as index form. Now 2 raised to 8 is red has. There are 3 different ways. First one we can write 2 raised to the power 8. Then also we can write 2 raised to 8. 2 raised to 8. Okay. And again you can write 8 power of 2. 8 power of 2. So these are the 3 ways we can read. First one 2 raised to the power 8, 2 raised to the power 8. Or we can read as 2 raised to 8, 2 raised to 8, raising the hand like that you can remember 2 raised to 8. Or we can also write 8 power of 2. Okay, so this is so we can say generally, if A is any number, then for example here I have taken A. So A into A into A m times. Okay, m times I have taken. So how we can write A raised to m? Means A multiplied with A into A dot dot dot. So m times. So m is what? M is a natural number. Okay, so again we can read as A raised to the power m or A raised to m or m power of A. Here m is a natural number. So this was the basic which we should know. Okay, so example we can take some example. For example, if it is given 5 raised to 4, this is in the index form. We can write in the multiplication form 5 into 5 into 5. See, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, that is 4 times. So how we will do? We can 5 5s are 25 and 5 5s are 25. So 25 into 2, 25. We know the square of 25 is 625. Okay. If we are taking another number, for example, we are taking negative 2 by 3 raised to 3. So you know negative 2 by 3 multiplied with negative 2 by 3 multiplied with negative 2 by 3. Okay. So you know negative odd number means the sign will be negative, because negative, negative, positive, positive into negative, negative. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. We will get negative 8. Now 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So value of negative 2 raised to 3 is negative 8 by 27. If it is given 7 raised to 1 means 7 1 times, so value will be 7. Or 10 raised to 1, the value will be 10. So therefore the first power of any number is that number itself. Okay. So a raised to 1, therefore we can write a raised to 1 is equal to a. And this is very important point. Okay. And if it is given 3, this is called square. 3 raised to means 3 square. So you know 3 into 3 it is 9. So square of 3 is 9. Okay. So the second power of any number is the square, and the third power of any number. For example, if I am writing 2 raised to 3. Now here 3, 2 raised to 3. So this will be how we will write 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So cube of 2 is 8. Okay, so like this you can remember. So second power, that is second power of any number is known as the square, and third power of any number is known as the cube. Okay, so 3 raised to 2 means it is a, what we will say, it is a square, and 2 raised to 3 means here it will be cube. Okay, so now we will solve the practice set 26. Let us solve. So here already have written question, lesson 6 indices, standard 7, practice set 26. Complete the table below. Serial numbers, it is given indices, numbers in the index form. This already I said it is in the index form. 3 raised to 4. So 3 is the base, 4 is the index. Multiplication form, you will write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 4 times. So you know 3 3s are, this is 3 3s are 9, and this 3 3s are 9. So 9 into 9 it is 81. Now 16 raised to 3, what is the base? 16. What is the index? 3. Multiplication form, we can write 16 into 16 into 16. We know the square of 16 into 16, the number is 256 into 16. So when we are multiplying 256 into 16, we will get the value 4096. Now next, if you see, blank is given, base is given. Base is what? Negative 8. Index is given 2. So negative 8 raised to 2, it will be the index form. So multiplication form, negative 8 into negative 8. So we know 8 8s are 64, negative sign into negative sign, the answer is positive. Now next, if you see, it is given 3 by 7 into 3 by 7 into 3 by 7 into 3 by 7. So 3 by 7, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 by 7 raised to 4. So what is the base? 3 by 7. What is the index? 4. So answer already they have given. Now it is given next one, negative 13 raised to 4. So here base is negative 13. Then what is the index? 4. Now we will write negative 13 into negative 13 into negative 13 into negative 13. So we will multiply 13. So 13 into 13 we know 169. So 169 into 69. Square of 13 is 169. So after multiplying, we will get 28,561. That you can do in the rough, so you will get it. Now question number 2, it is given. Find the value of. So first one, it is given 2 raised to 10. So how we will do it? We will multiply 2 into 2 means 10 times we will write 2. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So I will take this 5 and this 5. So it will become 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So 32 into 32. So 32 into 32 we will get, multiply and see in the rough. So you will get 1024. Okay, here it is not by miss. I will write again. It is 1024. Okay, here by mistake the sign was coming ink. So answer is 1024. Quickly you can multiply and you will get. Or square of 32 is 1024. So how you can write here? And therefore 2 raised to 10 is equal to 1024. This is the answer. Now next it is given 5 raised to 3, that is 5 into 5 into 5. So you know 5 5s are 25 into 5. 25 into 5, the answer is 125. Now next question, if you see, it is given negative 7 raised to 4. See, it is even number. Raised to 4, it is even number. So negative sign multiplied 4 times means even number. So sign will be positive. Okay, so we will write like this. Negative 7 into negative 7 into negative 7 into negative 7. See, negative, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive. Okay, so we know, so it will become 49 into 49. So 49 into 49. We will multiply now. We will get the answer 2401. Okay. So next we will solve now. It is given negative 6 raised to 3. So we will write negative 6 into negative 6 into negative 6. See, when it is raised to 3 times, 3 is an odd number. So you will get the sign in answer negative sign. Okay, so you know 6, 6, negative, negative, positive. So 36 into negative 6. So 36 into negative 6. So answer you will get 216 and sign will be negative. Positive, negative, negative. Now next it is given 9 raised to 3 means you will write 9 into 9 into 9. So 9 9s are 81 into 9. So 9 1s are 9, 9 8s are 72. So answer is 729. Therefore you should write like this: 9 raised to 3 is equal to 729. Here also you can write, therefore negative 6 raised to 3 is equal to negative 216. Okay. Now next it is given 8 raised to 1 means the value. Therefore we know 8 raised to 1 the value will be 8. Now next we will go for practice. Next question it is given 4 by 5 raised to 3. So we will write 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. So 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. And 5 5 is 25, 25 into 5, 125. So this is the answer. Okay, so therefore we can write 4 raised to 5 cube is 64 by 125. Okay, next question is given negative 1 by 2 raised to 4. So here if you see negative sign is there, but raised to 4 means even number. So we will get the positive number. So negative 1 by 2 into negative 1 by 2 into negative 1 by 2 into negative 1 by 2. So we will get negative negative positive, negative negative positive, positive into positive. We will get, and 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, 1. And here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Therefore we can write negative 1 by 2 raised to 4 is equal to 1 by 16. Here we have completed practice set 26. Next class we will solve the next practice set. Thank you.